So I already make quite decent amount of money from this particular website, and I'm gonna show you why this is actually one of the easiest ways for you to start to make money online without actually having your own website, without actually building your own product, and without spending any money at all. So I'm gonna walk you through the entire process step by step and reveal everything in this tutorial.
Just a quick disclaimer here, if someone replies to your comment like this claiming they're me, just know it's a scam. I don't have WhatsApp, I don't have Telegram, and I would never text you for money. You can check their accounts, they don't have a verification badge, they don't have the same subscribers or videos as me, and they will just scam you. My only Instagram account is @I'mDaveNick. People are just creating fake accounts, reposting my photos, and DMing you asking for money. You can check their posts, the engagement is fake, they're new accounts, and just know that I would never text you like that, so just stay safe and report them all.
Now, first of all, the website that we're gonna be using before we come over to that platform that has already paid me out over $1 million in almost all profit. First of all, you wanna go over to rumble.com, which is a platform which is a video sharing platform where you can find all sorts of different videos, pretty much just like on YouTube, but it's not as big as YouTube. But if you go to SimilarWeb, you can see that rumble.com actually has 89 million visits in the past 30 days. And then last month, it had over 100 million visitors from all around the world. And if you take a look at the demographic, you can see that these are all top tier countries: the US, Canada, UK, and Australia. And hundreds of millions of people use this platform. So it's a video sharing platform. Now, you don't necessarily have to record any videos or whatsoever. I'm gonna show you exactly what you actually need to do to make money from this platform without recording anything. So first of all, you need to have some offer to promote in those videos, which I'm gonna show you where you can just copy and paste. But what you can simply do is you can go over to Online Business Academy, which is a platform that I personally use to make thousands of dollars. And so Online Business Academy is a website where you can find digital products and services related to online business. So digital products such as courses and how to make money online with, let's say, drop shipping or drop servicing or YouTube automation and all sorts of different niches. But you don't necessarily have to buy any of these products. What you want to do is you want to go over to OnlineBusinessAcademy.com, then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and click on affiliate program right over here, or just go to OnlineBusinessAcademy.com/affiliate, and that's going to take you over to this page where you can apply to become an affiliate. And basically all you got to do is press join now, and then that's going to take you to the application page where all you gotta do is enter your full name here, enter your email address, and click on Let's Go. Now, once you do that, you will receive an email from the Online Business Academy, which is gonna say you've been added as an affiliate, and then you're gonna be able to click on the Get Started button right over here, which is gonna take you back to Teachable, where you will just log into your account and you can check the affiliate dashboard where you can track your lifetime earnings and revenue and clicks and all of that. And your standard commission rate is 20%, but if you are the student of the Online Business Academy, that's gonna be double, which is 40% commission per every single sale. So what you want to do is you want to go to links and resources, and there you can find your affiliate link, which you can copy with one press of a button. But if you also want to generate a specific affiliate link for a specific sales page for one of these products or services, so let's say, for example, you want to promote this product over here, which is like a YouTube automation course, you can then just open up that sales page and then grab the link, copy the link for that particular sales page, then paste it inside of this link generator and click enter, and now you're going to have an affiliate link that takes people directly to that sales page, and you will earn a commission from that. And then you can also shorten your link. This is optional, but I do recommend you shorten up your link so it looks a little bit better. It's not like a very long and annoying link, but it's just short and sweet, and you can also customize it. It's gonna look a little bit better and it's gonna be more clickable. So now once you have an offer to promote, an offer that can actually pay you a decent amount of money when you actually get a sale, what you can simply do is, of course, you can record those videos yourself, and you can promote these products and services on rumble.com by recording videos yourself, and that way you can probably get the best results. But in case you don't want to record any videos and you don't want to create anything from scratch, you can also just open up my channel, or Dave Nick Daily, which is my second channel, and you can just find videos where I talk about that specific online business model which you want to promote from the Online Business Academy. So let's say you found a course that talks about freelancing and you want to promote it. Now you can find a video where I talked about freelancing, and then you can use that video to post in Rumble. Or if you're promoting this YouTube automation course, what you can do is you can go to my channel and you can find videos where I talk about YouTube automation. So for example, here it is, best way to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And then you can copy the link address for that specific video, and then you can go to Google and search for YouTube to MP4. You can use one of these tools. Sometimes one of them works, sometimes it doesn't, so you'll have to test which one works. At least as of right now, I hope this one is gonna work, y2mate.is, but in some cases it's just completely random. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so you're just gonna have to find one that works for you to download the video to your computer. Now, I am giving you permission to download my videos, but I can't tell you that you can go ahead and download other people's videos from YouTube. You're legally not allowed to do that. I'm giving you permission right now to go ahead and download my videos, but don't go to other random channels and download their videos, because maybe the creator is not gonna like that. So either use my videos or either record videos yourself, which is once again a way better option. But anyways, the second thing you want to do is you also want to download a thumbnail for that YouTube video. So you can just go to youtube-thumbnailgrabber.com, also just paste the link of that video, click on get thumbnail images, and then you can download the highest quality one. Basically just right click save image as, and just save it up to your computer. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go back to rumble.com. You want to log into your account. First of all, create an account and then log in. Then simply click on this button over here to upload the video, and then you can just drag and drop that video which you got from YouTube. You can enter a video title over here, and the video title can pretty much be the same title from YouTube, so you can just copy that as well. So I'm just gonna copy this and then go back to Rumble, paste it right over here. And for the description box, you can just take a look at what I've put in the description box of these videos and how I'm promoting the course. So for example, how I built this online business, and I also have a brief description as well. So perhaps you can copy that and then you can paste it here and just replace the link with your own affiliate link. So this one doesn't have a discount, so we're gonna remove that. And then you can just go back to Bitly, copy your shortened affiliate link, simply paste it over here, and then replace this one as well. And here you have it. You also have a couple of keywords in this, which is going to help you out as well. You can also add tags, which I do recommend. So I'm going to go with like make money online, YouTube automation, and anything that's related to that specific business model. I'm also going to go with online business. Maybe I'm going to add Dave Nick Daily, which should help you out with ranking. The visibility is going to be public, and also make sure to add the thumbnail as well. So you can pretty much just drag and drop that. So I'm going to choose my own thumbnail. Here's how that's going to look like. And now I will be able to publish this onto rumble.com. Once again, I do recommend you create these videos yourself, but if in case you don't want to create them yourself, you can find a lot of tutorials on my channels where I talk about different online business models, and then you can use those videos to post them on Rumble and promote affiliate links for yourself and earn affiliate commissions for yourself and keep 100% of the profit. And so at this point, you should probably realize why I believe that this is one of the easiest ways to start to make money online. As you can see, you don't actually have to create a product or service yourself. You don't have to build your own website, and you don't even have to create those videos yourself. You literally just have to copy and paste, and you can potentially start to earn affiliate commissions from literally anywhere in the world. So I really hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, and I will see you next time.